Cambridge 16. 35. Do you ever use a microwave to cook food quickly? Why/why not? Typically, I stick to preparing simple dishes, which eliminates the need for a microwave in my kitchen. However, the office where I work happens to be equipped with one, and I must admit it has proven to be incredibly convenient whenever I bring my lunch. Having access to a microwave enables me to effortlessly reheat my meals, which has numerous advantages. Firstly, it allows me to save money by avoiding the need to purchase lunch from outside establishments. Furthermore, it ensures that my food remains piping hot and delectable, enhancing my overall dining experience.